Welcome to the slow and steady approach to investing success. Are you tired of trying to get rich quick with high-risk investments? Do you want to build wealth over the long term without all the stress? Then the slow and steady approach to investing success may be right for you. Step 1. Start by setting financial goals for yourself. Do you want to retire early, save for your children's education, or just have a comfortable nest egg for the future? Knowing your goals will help you decide where to invest your money. Step 2. Next, educate yourself about the different types of investments available. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are just a few options. Each has its own risks and potential rewards, so it's important to understand the basics before you start investing. Step 3. Develop a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments out over a variety of asset classes to reduce risk. This way, if one investment performs poorly, it won't devastate your entire portfolio. Step 4. Be patient. Investing for the long term takes time and discipline. Don't get swayed by market fluctuations or get caught up in the hype of the latest hot stock. Instead, stay focused on your goals and stick to your investment plan. Step 5. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. As you get closer to your financial goals or as your circumstances change, you may need to adjust your portfolio. Make sure it still aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. By following these steps, you can take a slow and steady approach to investing success. With a little bit of planning and discipline, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. Subscribe, like, and share for more value information. With your support, we will get through this together. Remember, we get what we give. Have a wonderful time. Stay positive. Thank you.